अगर तुमने रियलाइज़ किया हो तो लाइफ इज़ अ कॉन्स्टेंट बैटल बिटवीन लूजिंग एंड रीगेनिंग कंट्रोल्स ओवर द डिसीजंस वी मेक. छोटे छोटे डिसीजंस या गलती ही कह लो उन्हें, दे चेंज योर लाइफ एंड योर फ्यूचर इन वेज बियॉन्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. पहले ही डिस्क्लेमर दे दूँ, दिस वीडियो इज़ नॉट वन ऑफ दोज जिसमें यू गेट टू सी the ending that you had expected. Hello everyone, this is Saurabh and this is the story of my life from failing in CAT to reaching IIM Ahmedabad. ये कहानी शुरू होती है मार्च 2020 से. कोविड ने सब कुछ बंद करवा दिया था. I was in the third year of my graduation college. It was a tier 3 college and elevating to a position so that I could reach IIMs seemed very impossible. Under lockdown, along with my studies, I started preparing for CAT 2020. It was a difficult one because I was someone who was never that strong at mathematics or quants as we call it. I made a timetable along with a schedule on how I would tackle my CAT and other competitive exams. Every morning I would try to focus a bit more on the news on TV and try to read the newspaper with sheer dedication. भाई सुबह 7 बजे उठ के I went and attended my college and then I came back home by afternoon and would start solving question papers and problems. I focused most on quants as it was something that I was weak in and मैं वैसे भी LRDI में काफ़ी strong था. That is what I felt. Mocks में भी I was scoring decent enough and I thought I was pretty sure that I would get really good marks in CAT. Then came the D-Day. I gave my CAT exam. Everything went well until the results came. I did not get satisfactory marks in it. I had always felt that MBA मतलब CAT. अब IIMs ही I couldn't crack, so maybe I'm not worth it. My mind circled around negative thoughts. I was devastated and I could clearly feel myself being negatively impacted by failure. I was shook inside and I couldn't sleep well. My parents played an extremely vital role in my motivation and recovery. They took me to Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain as well as the Mahalakshmi temple in Kolhapur. कहते हैं ना, जब सब कुछ तुम्हारे हाथ से छूटा जा रहा हो तो सब कुछ ईश्वर पर छोड़ देना चाहिए. They made me realize कि IIM Ahmedabad is not the only destination for everyone. अगर सारे 2-3 लाख लोग IIM Ahmedabad ही पहुँच गए तो then there is no point in holding exams. Exams are just a test to check where you stand, but not a test to determine what you truly deserve. This motivated me a lot and मैंने और ज़्यादा motivation से पढ़ना start कर दिया. All was not lost and I focused my mind on other competitive exams as well. With extreme hard work and determination, and after clearing the interviews, I received calls from IMT Hyderabad, Wellinkar Mumbai, GLIM Gurgaon, IFMR Chennai, SIES Mumbai and some others. Being a Mumbaikar since birth, I chose to pursue PGDM from Wellinkar Mumbai. It was a perfect college for me, because everything was taught to us with utmost professionalism and enthusiasm. I was loving my time at V School. And I had also loved the academics, the curriculum, the opportunities I was offered. I still couldn't accept the fact that my dream to study at IIM Ahmedabad had shattered. I couldn't be among the top management students in the country. कहते हैं ना कि जब लाइफ के सारे दरवाजे बंद हो जाते हैं तो एक दरवाज़ा ऐसा भी होता है जो खुल जाता है. वैसे भी I had been working on improving myself and my skills through competitions, case studies, Shark Tank ideation challenges of big colleges across India. One day, I got to know through a friend that IIM Ahmedabad is hosting workshops for students of other B schools and some students could be a part of it. It had limited intake and I couldn't leave this opportunity at any cost. My dream of studying at IIM Ahmedabad at least once was going to be true. Thus, me along with my friends registered for the workshop and all of us were extremely elated. The day did come. I was a part of IIM Ahmedabad. The familiar red bricks, the students, the humongous Vikram Sarabhai library, the canteens, it all did make sense as a matter of fact. We were toured around the old and new campus by the representatives and we also got to attend some lectures by the esteemed guest lecturers at IIM Ahmedabad. It was indeed a dream come true for me. I have realized one thing now. Not everything is meant to last. लेकिन we also tend to realize कि the playing field is not level for all of us. Some of us have our own advantages, disadvantages, strengths and weaknesses. Regardless of that, I achieved my dream of being a part of IIM Ahmedabad. एक दिन के लिए ही सही. As I was saying, middle class families get extremely happy and contented with the really small achievements of life. I would genuinely like to thank my college and my faculties for this amazing opportunity because I don't think उनके बिना this would even have been possible. So this was my journey from being a failure at CAT to mastering my skills and achieving my dream of getting into IIM Ahmedabad, at least partially. Now though I've even completed my MBA from Wellinkar, Mumbai, and I'm a working professional at one of the top companies in the manufacturing sector. I'm absolutely loving my job. अगर तुम लोग को ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. इट वुड मीन अ लॉट टू मी. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!